Welcome to your homework solution tutorial for 2F to 2G. For 7 and 8, we are asked to write the equation of the parabola in intercept form. This is very great because it's very straightforward if you can get the x-intercepts. So let's take a look here. Let's go and find the x-intercepts. The first one looks like it's at -1, comma 0, and the other one here looks like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -5, comma 0. So these are your solutions, okay? Your solution is x is equal to -5 and x is equal to -1. That means, okay, that means you can actually get your x-intercepts now. You can actually get your factored form now, okay? So remember, your solution was when these were set equal to 0, all right? So watch this, ready? How do you make this 0? I plus 5 to both sides. So this gets you x plus 5 equals to 0, okay? Likewise, you can add 1 to both sides. Now this gets you x plus 1 equals to 0. Alright, so guess what? This is now in factored form now. So this is x plus 5 and x plus 1. There you go. That's it. Your equation, it would be x plus 5 and x plus 1 in factored form. But how do we get it into ax into basically standard form? What we need to do is multiply. So let's do that. X times x gets you x squared. X times 1 is 1x. Then you have 5 times x is 5x. Then you have 5 times 1, which is 5. Okay? 1x plus 5x gets you 6x. Bring everything else down. There you go. Here's your function. It's x squared plus 6x plus 5. All right, let's go to decimals again to always double check our work. And let's see if we graphed it correctly. X squared plus 6x plus 5. That doesn't look right. That does not look right. That does not look right. Because look, it opens up. You know what we can do? That doesn't look right. That does not look right. Ah, you see how it flips down? So I'm going to make everything a negative. So I'm going to multiply everything by a negative. Does that work? Yeah, it does work. So I just multiplied everything by a negative because I had to flip it. So this is a negative x squared. This is going to be a negative 6x. So this is going to be a negative 5. All right. So there you go. That is how I got it. Okay. There are other ways to do this, but that's the way I'm showing it. You could also get vertex form and convert it, but yeah, I like it this way. All right. Let's do this one. Ooh, this is fun. So here is your x-intercept. Okay, it looks like it's 6, comma 0. Technically, there are 2 x-intercepts here. You don't see it. These are repeated roots. Okay, 6, comma 0 and 6, comma 0. So that means x is equal to 6 and x was equal to 6. Again, we are trying to get into factored form, so we make 0. Subtract 6 to both sides, leaving you with x minus 6 equals to 0. Subtract 6 to both sides. Now you can get x minus 6 equals to 0. So factored form would look like x minus 6 times x minus 6 equals to 0. We want it in standard form, so let's just distribute. X squared. X times -6 is -6x. negative 6 times x is negative 6x, and negative 6 times negative 6 is positive 36. So you can write this as x squared minus 12x plus 36. Hopefully I got it right. X squared minus 12x plus 36. All right, let's graph it to see if it worked or not. X squared minus 12x plus 36. Oh, 12x. And yep, it does work. Good job. So there you go. That is how you do 8 and 9. No, 7 and 8.